In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to ElevenLabs. Whether you're an audio enthusiast, a content creator, or someone curious about AI-driven text and speech technologies, accessing ElevenLabs will open up a world of possibilities. So, let's get started, shall we? First things first, you'll need to open up your web browser. It doesn't matter whether you prefer Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Any of these will work perfectly fine. Once your browser is open, you'll want to navigate to the ElevenLabs website. Simply enter the website address into the URL bar and hit Enter. You're now just a few steps away from exploring the diverse capabilities that ElevenLabs provides. Now, once you're on the home page of the ElevenLabs website, you'll notice there's an option to sign in. Depending on your preferences or existing sign-in method, you can log in using your email address or through a single sign-on, also known as SSO. The process is straightforward. If you choose to sign in via email, simply enter your email address and your password. For SSO, follow the prompts provided to authenticate using your chosen method. This two-pronged approach to signing in ensures flexibility, catering to both individuals and organizations that might leverage more integrated sign-on methods. After successfully logging into your account, you'll find yourself on the ElevenLabs dashboard. This is your hub for all the exciting tools that ElevenLabs has to offer. Have a look around to familiarize yourself with the layout. Here, you'll see options that include speech features like text-to-speech and speech-to-speech. These options can be particularly useful if you're looking to convert written text into natural-sounding speech, or if you'd like to modify existing audio inputs. As you continue to explore, you'll notice additional settings like voice settings and sound effects. These can be used to tailor the audio output to fit your specific needs, whether that's fine-tuning the pitch of a voice or adding unique sound effects to make your projects stand out. Plus, workflows allow you to automate processes, streamlining your usage and maximizing efficiency. Now that you're familiar with the dashboard, you can start trying out all of the features available at your fingertips. From transforming text into lifelike speech to experimenting with the voice changer, the possibilities are expansive. Don't forget to explore the sound effects and voice isolator tools, as they can add layers of creativity and clarity to your audio projects. And there you have it.